If you think algorithmic trading is too expensive and too complicated, only big companies and investment funds can only use this technology. So no worries. So on this video, I will teach you how you can create your own algorithmic trading system to increase psychological effect of trading and to see your strategy, how it works in the past. So was it profitable or not? Or which part of it you may change to have better result on your trading. Even if you never coded before, no worry, on this video we'll start from scratch and learn what we can do, how we can code it. Now let's move on my computer and start coding. So this is MetaTrader 5 where I can buy and sell when I do trades. For example, now I open position natural gas. So this is the manual way. So I can also do exactly the same things by using Mql5 MetaCode's language. They will do these trades for us. So we may define some parameters such as indicator on some certain price level. So if the price level reach at that point of indicator or the indicator that we use will give the signal of buy or sell, the strategy, the system will just open position or close the position even if you are not in front of the computer. So even if you were too scared to open position at that level because of the market volatility, or you had some problem with your family and so on, your mood is down and you don't want to trade. So, but the system will just do exactly what we defined before, no matter what it is, no matter where you are. That will be another plus of algorithmic trading. Let's move on meta editor window where we will create our code. We press F4 that I open this scene. This is the meta editor window. Here all I need to do to create new expert advisor. New expert advisor, next. And the name will be first step because you are first stepping on algo trading. So okay, this is the template file is open. Now don't worry, I will delete the part that we'll not use today. So okay, this is simple, right? I will define some order here and the system will do for us. So let's learn to open buy position. For example, I want to buy 5 position and I want to do it so quick. So to be able to send any order here at top, I need to include trade library. Include .mqh close, and I will call class trade. If this comes to you complicated or confusing, no worries, I will copy and paste all the code that I write here. So it will also give you to help you to write your first code. So okay, after I had this defined, so I need to call this library trade and dot. As you see, there are many functions here, so we can use. So today we'll just learn the simplest way, the buy. So when I click buy, you see this function is asking some parameters. So we will give these parameters to function and function will give me something back. The function will open the position based on the parameters that I give. So for this I need to give parameters. Now there is simple description. The volume, how many lots that I need to open. So let's say 1 lot. And when I put comma, now the second, it says the symbol. On MetaTrader there are thousands of products that we can trade. Gold, Euro USD, currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, and so on. So which one that I want to open 1 lot buy position. So if I put here null, which means if I run this expert advisor on gold, the system will open gold. If I run in Euro USD, it will open Euro USD. It's better to put here null. So I can also define between quotation mark as Euro USD. Then system will open position only on Euro USD. But we want to create a system. This system should be able to trade with all wherever I want. So that's why better to use null and comma. Now its system asks price. So which price level that I want to open? So I want to open the market buy. If I want to say market order, so which means this current price. if by position I need with symbol info double. This is the function that I can get this as same null parameters and ask price. This function gave me the current ask price, and I want to open this current ask price level. And after comma and stop loss and take profit. Let's say stop loss I can put 0. I will not put stop loss and I will not put take profit. And there is comment, so to be able to separate the order, so I can use this comment function, but I will not use today too. And now I defined all parameters. In Mql5, in many languages, there is syntax, such as like this order has to end with semicolon. So I put my semicolon and compile. If I have without any problem compiling, which means that I didn't do any syntax error. So compile this, no problem, I compiled. With F4, I move back to MetaTrader window. So now let's look expert advisor. What was the name? Name was first step. First step. So let's work on gold. When I draw and drop first step on chart, as you see, there is section Algo trading, which means that system will access to this expert advisor, open and close position or modify and stop loss and take profit on system. So when I say okay, as you see, the system start open many position. So it's already so quick opened and 8 lot gold. So this is something that we don't want, because if I don't stop this algo trading here, the system will keep opening until our money is finished. You can easily switch on and off with here. As you see, if this mark is solid, so which means the system is not opening position. So okay, so now we learned how we can send order. But now let's also learn put some limitation. Don't open position always. Only open position when indicators give signal, or when the price has reached a certain level and get some profit or losses. All should be predefined. So with click I close all position. Okay, before I run, now I will put some limitation. If position total, this will give me how many open position that I have on my account, smaller than 5. When the system comes up 5, then it will not open new order. So it has to stop. Let's test. Compile. So algo trading is active 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stopped. As you see, after 5 the system is stopped. So if I put here 7, within the minutes that I compile, it will open 2 more. So because this compiling will affect directly the attached system. So this was opening by position. So I think now you can code how you can open sell position. So now I will listen to you. So I delete this part. So okay, let's try to remember. So I call trade library and dot. So before I put buy, so let's look down. There might be something else. Or to be able to help us, I can put S. So when I put S, the function that start with S just comes here. As you see, I put pickup sell. I think it has exactly the same parameters up there. So why not to use it? Just copy and paste. So and compile. So let's close all. And I look journal. So this was and gold. Let's move some other products such as Bitcoin. Let's open some position on Bitcoin too. Now expert is working on Bitcoin, as you see. So as you see, it's not that hard. So you also just learned yourself how you can open sell position. Only just there is a little mistake here. The sell position has to be opened with bid price, and instead of ask, so I should change to the bid to be able to catch the correct level. So there was a part here as null. So what was this null? This command function. Let's test this one to step test order. I compile. For example, this right click and show comment. There is no comment. So let's close some and leave Algo trading. As you see, there is like test order. So with this comment, so I can use this comment to define my manual order on expert order. So when I run expert advisor, I want to trade manually too, but my expert shouldn't see this order. So if I put like this kind of test order as comment on comment, so the system can separate it. So there are many other ways to separate this, by the way. I don't have to use this command. There's magic number, and system also tells us, so is it this order is opened by expert or manually. Let me show like test order placed by replace, placed by manually, placed by expert. This expert, which means this algo trading system. So we can also use this command function. So on this video, we learned how to open buy position and sell position, and we try to understand the foundation. And we understand it's not as hard as you think. So with even some basic skill of coding and basic information, so we got step into how we can send order. So even for the further level, so it will not be harder than this one. All we need to do just to keep following the videos, and I'll try my best to teach you how you can create your own algorithmic trading system. Before I close the video, I would like to introduce you Pepperstone, that who supports our videos and content. Pepperstone is the global broker that you can trade more than 1,700 products, and the platform they use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, trading, even C-Trade, all the platform you can also trade. So another plus, so the Pepperstone allows you to trade with algo trading. And I heard my clients, some of the brokers, they don't allow them to trade algo trading way. So in Pepperstone, there is no problem at all. So you can use your algo trading system that you learn on these videos or some other contents on you already have strategy. So you can easily use it. So to be able to go Pepperstone website, so you can use the link that I put on description. So going through the website through the link will also support the channel and our content. So if you like the content, please keep in mind. And also, if you like to reach me, so on video description, I have my email and Telegram. So you can also reach me if I'm asking question about the Pepperstone, or you may like to do some freelance project. You can also look on the video description. See you in the next video. Bye bye.